I'm going to be showing you today how to profit off news, more specifically, the really high impact news like CPI, PPI, NFP. But more specifically, how to pass your profit evaluation. So what you want to do is you want to look on Forex Factory. Go here, have these settings on, and look for when the next CPI and PPI is. So for October, this will be October 15th and October 16th. These are the days where you'll pass your account, these 2 days. So, because I can't skip into the future, I'm going to backtest for you. So, let's search PPI. When is that? September 10th. When is CPI? 11th. Okay. So, here. We're at PPI. And what is PPI? This is here. It's inflation. Okay, it doesn't actually tell you what it is here, and I don't have the time to explain what it is. But it's a type of inflation. And so what you want to do is, because with prop firms, and more specifically, my fund of futures, I'm not too sure about Topstep. Um, yeah, but look into your prop firm's rules and see if they allow this. But you can't like set a breakout. So if price breaks out this way and you have both buy stop, sell stop, you can't do that. You won't get funded. So this is where this actually comes in. And so you're gonna look at the previous 0.7 and the forecast is 0.3. Now because it's inflation, numbers smaller means that it's bullish because the market doesn't like inflation, right? The less inflation, the better for the market. So it doesn't matter the numbers, right? As you can see, like the forecast is usually wrong, but it's a good indication for what the bias is going to be, as you can see from the chart. Um, it's never usually wrong at all. But so 0.7, 0.3, we're bullish, right? Because the forecast is less inflation than what the previous was. So what we're going to do is we're going to mark out 8.15 and 8.30. Now we're going to take the most recent high within this range and we're going to measure 15 points above this. Many of you probably know this as the 15-point method or 60-tick method, whatever it is. But here. And you want to target 37.5 points or 150 ticks. So you're going to want to a micro, so 20 cons as a buy stop, and then here, sell limit, get rid of this, and done. 1.5k. And I remember we're only doing this 1.5k because of consistency. Remember, you have to have 50% consistency on most prop firms. So this is why CPI, PPI are amazing. Then we'll just move over to the next day where CPI is September 11th. Let's mark out 8.30 here. Where is it? Here, I'll mark out 8.15 as well. Let's just get there real quick. We're gonna go back down to the 1 minute. And let's look at CPI and what it's gonna be. So previous was 0.2 and the forecast is 0.3. So this means there's more inflation for CPI than the previous, which just means we're going to be bearish. So we're going to take this low and we are going to mark out 15 points. We are going to have our sell stop and we are going to 37.5 points or 150 ticks buy limit. Let's get rid of all this. Next candle, bang. And there you go. Okay, maybe I might have missed out something, a point, but there you go. Within 2 days, not having to actually trade anything is just on news. Pretty easy and simple to do. But just remember, this is only if I guess you're desperate to pass your eval. Just the quickest way to pass your eval, to be honest. Yeah. You can't really trade like this. But yeah, just to pass your eval or make profits from major newses.